Let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at $85,000, 347. And it is good from the perspective that Bitcoin is trying to hold on to $85,000, because previously, if you look at it, it would go to $85,000. There would be a wick. It would react and dump. And it didn't even bother this time and just fell below it. But this time we have consecutively gone up, and as we speak, for the first time we are seeing the body of the candle staying above $85,000. Now our confidence will build at two levels. If it spends 8 hours above $85,000, it will be the first sign of bullishness. But of course, all we care about is that it should spend 2 days above $85,000, and that would be really, really nice. This is going to be in favor of the overall concept we are following of Green Friday and Saturday. So staying above $85,000 for 2 days, or closing with this body above $85,000 for 2 days, would only play in the favor of Green Friday and Saturday, because then in those green days we can finally push it to $90,000, and finally people can start freaking out. Overall, if we talk about the FOMC was today. It was not bad at all, and things didn't change. They remain unchanged, which is a neutral news, which means that it's not bad or it's not good. It is neutral, so it stayed as it was expected. In such kind of case scenario, it's generally a game of 50-50. The market can get bearish because they were already upset, so they stay upset. Or if they were already happy, they would stay happy. So I think the reaction of the market is pretty nice. I don't see anything bad in the market from that perspective. And like I have said, that I'm expecting the month of March to close green. And right now, as we speak, if you go and check, it is actually green. But like I said, I'm expecting it to go above $90,000, hopefully towards 100K. That is what I'm expecting from the month of March. But for the sake of argument, if you fight with me, we opened this thing at 83,200 or something. We are sitting at 85. So March is going to close green anyway. I'll win against you in the argument. But jokes apart, overall, I am expecting the market to do well. And like I've said, if we talk about Bitcoin going down from 100K to 85K, it might have taken 3 months. But to go from 85K to 100K, it can take 3 days. So when it comes to pumping, it doesn't require that much time. And we still have a lot of time. We have 11 days left. There is no bad news in the market. And if there is some news, it is not reacting to it. So I think everything is in our favor. The only thing from here I want to see is that I want Bitcoin to be on a upward journey. Previously, we had used $81,500 as an area of support. I'll show it to you again in case you're wondering. And Bitcoin has respected that as well. This was the 81,500 area. It was because of this double top, the neckline, and Bitcoin didn't close any 2 candles below this area. It respected it even when it dropped yesterday. It respected this area, and the candle body stayed above it. It's just a wick. And today we are going up. Same thing we want from $85,000. If we see $85,000 having 2 candles closing above it, that would be your first clue that we are on an upward rally and this thing is going to run hard. But if we lose 85, we will be again relying on 81,500. I'm not bothering with the 74 and 80, because the beauty of the structures is that as structures develop, they end up creating more levels of support. Then we don't need to rely on the previous supports. We can use the new supports. And that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. Congratulations to everyone who wanted things to go well with the XRP. They went well as well. FOMC was nice. So everything is working out well. Now let's hope for a greener market for the rest of the March. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.